how can we know more about your character?
I am
Who are
the
you?
glue.
Who are you? Yeah.
I'm the glue.
You're the glue.
Yeah. Everyone is connected to me somehow or the other. In that realm and in this realm.
Oh.
So I'm the glue
okay.
that binds everyone together.
Right. What do you call those people that connect both worlds?
Like a medium.
No, a medium. You're the medium.
If we'll use the word medium if you want. But otherwise, more than a medium, she is na is दुनिया की ना उस दुनिया की. वो एक अलग ही मखलूक है. लेकिन सब शहरज़ाद से जुड़े हुए हैं. और अगर शहरज़ाद ना होती तो शायद the things that unfold ना हो पाते.
Was it a conscious decision to make it predominantly in English? Because Urdu hai thodi trailer mein bhi, but it's mostly everybody is speaking in English.
It's mix. I would say almost it's like
60-40.
60-40, 60 Urdu.
अच्छा, trailer mein there's a lot of English.
I think it depends on the characters. So जो गांव के लोग हैं वो सारे उर्दू में बात कर रहे हैं. जो सैफुल्ला जो एम फवाद खान, फवाद नापा, sorry Fawad, he is mostly speaking Urdu because his background is that.
Okay.
And now I'm revealing that both Fawads have different backgrounds. The other Fawad is sort of more English medium.
Right.
Like, what do we call it? Superstar Fawad. He is more English.
Right.
And then Shahrazad is mixed, which is Sanam's character. So it really depends on your background in the story. And that is the language that you're speaking in. There is, for example, I don't know how much I'm revealing. There are prophecies and stuff in this world.
Right.
And those we usually end up sharing in English and Urdu.
Okay.
Only that aspect of it was done from the thinking that if it's very difficult Urdu, it might not be easily accessible. So English is a sort of a language.
हाँ, लिखते हुए कभी जब Asim translated everything in Urdu. लेकिन जब हम उर्दू में पढ़े थे वो कुछ और ही पता नहीं क्या बन रहा था. वो it was losing its meaning. वो बहुत कुछ philosophical बन गया था. But in English it was more understandable.
It came together better.
We could deliver it without being umroyas, and we could believe it better, understand it better. It became too philosophical in Urdu because the words were really heavy. It was really Salis Urdu then, which
I mean, it does have that.
Nice,
it does have that. It's a mix.
So how long did the entire process take from you sitting down to write it to 19th July?
Oh my God. I just asked my producer this, and my producer said I sent him the first email in December 2020. So
2020?
2020
Oh, okay.
So I had started writing it before Churels got released. I finished making it. And then so early in 2020, I had started writing it. And then Churels released, I kept writing it. We went into hard prep, I would say March 2021. We shot in September 2021. Then we had pickups early in 2022. Then we had a really long edit process, first of all. It's shot very differently from Churels. It doesn't intercut. It doesn't have... it'll have 2-minute long one takes, 3-minute long one takes. So it ended up that the episodes were, even though now they're 60 minutes, my first cut, each episode was like 90 minutes.
Okay.
It was like a film.
Okay.
So just fine-tuning it, making sure that all the important bits stayed, the story was still coherent.
And VFX, a lot of effects.
Yeah, and then VFX came.
Right.
So then VFX was also a really long process. We went with one company, it wasn't working out. Because VFX couldn't feel like VFX in this. It couldn't feel like, it wasn't a superhero film.
Yeah.
It was magical realism. So it had to have that sort of a finesse that sometimes you don't really need for a really big film, actually. So I think just getting that right took a while. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now we have
Salman Shahid's best performance I've ever seen. Like, what a new lease on his career.
But how good is he? I mean, he's just had...
His stamina, his dialogue delivery, unki memory was... Our jaws were dropping every time. We'd be clapping for him. We'd be so grateful to be sharing the space with him. Because वो किसी का हाथ नहीं लेते थे पहाड़ चढ़ते थे वो खुद ही चलते थे ठगमगा के
और एक सीन है जिसपे वो ऊपर बैठे हुए
ऊपर तक जाते हैं अकेले.
Amazing.
So Salman Shahid was the way, I mean,
I'd get annoyed if someone was like being too
don't helpful.
And it's good for the older generation also to see Barzakh because they can relate to how irritable he could be or how soft he could be or how hard he could be with his children or with his wives, or how in love he could be with some. It just, there's so many shades to his character, which I think is interesting for the older male audience
absolutely.
to connect with.
So all of you were there, and it can get pretty excited, spooky at night up in the mountains, and you're also shooting. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ, कुछ
हम खुद ही इतने बड़े भूत थे वहाँ.
कुछ नहीं हुआ. No
सबसे बड़ी
horror
चुड़ैल.
stories to share from Hunza. There should be a couple of horror stories from Hunza.
No, I wonder RH used to mention a couple of small things.
You know, but
I
we were
can't
so
remember.
delirious from like the cold
Yeah.
and the
I mean, आपकी
hours of
saturation को
work
80s में होती
and
थी वहाँ.
no oxygen, तो दिमाग तो
फिर
वैसे
तो
ही
बिल्कुल ही
कर रहा
नजर
था.
आना चाहिए, hallucinate
बहुत
करना
सर्दी,
चाहिए.
like unbearable cold. for
एक
me
सीन
anyway.
था, सलमान शाहिद है, मैंने रिहर्स किया था, and इन्होंने 3 घंटे रखी थी इस सीन के लिए. And I told the ADs, सलमान साहब, I was like, ये तो घंटे में हो जाएगा, आधा घंटा घंटे में हो जाएगा. This is, we got this, वो ज्यादा है भी नहीं. It took us 6 hours to do that scene almost.
Oh my God.
Because it was so cold. सलमान साहब को पता नहीं कहाँ जाना था, वो बार-बार कहीं और जा रहे हैं, बार-बार, because he was just, didn't know what I was saying. Because my teeth were now chattering, my nails were going blue, my brain was freezing over.
Why
और
would
ये
you
सारे
shoot
अंगीठियों
this
के साथ
in
बैठे हुए, 10 शॉल ओढ़े हुए, और मैं अपने पता नहीं फ्लैट के बुरके में सोना मटेरियल था.
So because it was fall,
Yeah.
so fall was very
Fall.
important to us. It was all about rebirth and
Right,
sort of.
of
So
course.
that season it had.
Spring भी कर सकते थे आसिम,
Spring
rebirth.
is
No,
birth.
but you see,
Spring is birth.
No, spring is rebirth, na?
you see Hunza on fire. The shades of
Oh my
orange,
God! And
yellow,
can we just
red.
say a word of appreciation for Mo? I mean, Mo Azmi.
Yeah,
that's
absolutely.
so talented. I mean,
He's really shot it.
you can recognize his frames and those trees, and they're like they are on fire.
Yeah.
Those
मगर
yellow
वो
leaves.
फायर पे
Oh.
होते थे तकरीबन 10 से 12 दिन के लिए. हमारा
we
शूट
were
था 6 हफ्ते के लिए.
chasing the leaves.
And the present storyline happens over 4 to 5 days. Of the entire show.
Right, right.
So just scheduling this was a nightmare because we were always waiting
Main
for
जो
the weather.
treat थी था, it had to be full, और फिर एक scene में it had to be bare. अब वो
मगर
bare हो ही नहीं
वो
रहा,
तो
या वो
effects
पता नहीं
में
क्या.
किया होगा ना थोड़ा
नहीं,
बहुत.
a lot of it that
We
is real.
waited for it to be real.
Yeah, all the tree stuff, most of the tree stuff is real.
Oh,
Well, the original tree stuff, yeah.
amazing. So I'm really excited, and I am looking forward to it. And I hope that we understand it. That is
You
my,
will understand.
When
that
you
is my
watch it,
biggest
because
concern.
everyone has siblings, everyone has aging parents again,
Yeah,
just
yeah.
like these are some similar themes in Cake. Everyone believes in life after that in some form or the other. Everyone would like to reunite with the people who have passed in some way or the other, or even just think about it, if not actually be able to do it. We all have a shaman in our life, or a guru, or a peer, or a spiritual leader, or someone. So there's elements of all of this in that. So the mysticism, the magic, the family.
No, it's exciting
Hunza,
to also be
backdrop.
sort of nudged out of your comfort zone,
Yeah,
because you're used to seeing one kind of drama on television,
yeah.
and then suddenly you have something like a Barzakh, which really kind of pushes you to think, beyond the obvious. So important.